ladies and gentlemen, it's Indiana Holmes here. Join me for another adventure at Disneyland and follow me on YouTube at Indiana Holmes 9046.
Well, today we are heading out to Autopia. And as you can see, the cars are lining up and people are getting in and getting out. And we are super excited. I haven't been on Autopia in a really long time. As a child, as a kid, I thought Autopia was the best thing in the park because, obviously you want to drive. When you're a kid, your parents drive. So at Disneyland, Autopia was always a target ride to get on, as soon as we possibly could. And if we could convince our parents to do it more than once, we would do that. When we get in the car and we start driving, it's actually super fun. And even though I'm not driving, my wife is driving, I don't know what it is. It's something about being in that little open air car, the sound of the motor, and being on what appears to be, it feels like a racetrack, even though, we're only going a few miles an hour. I don't know, maybe it's the fairy dust, the magic of Disney, right?